Hi, good morning. I'm in my classroom today, getting ready for fashion marketing class, and we do lots of sewing. So here is what's in our basic kit and what my students will. It's really just a great basic kit to start with. So I'm going to share this great stitch guide that I found, a little worksheet about color theory that I found. This is really important tool to utilize for all of your projects, even the most basic one. We'll start with felt. So in there'll be 3 pieces of felt. You'll have a piece of muslin. So this fabric I use a lot for dyeing. I also use it for embroidery work. Okay, so then that takes us to these embroidery threads. These are 6-strand embroidery threads or floss, right? And the fun thing about them is the way they come is there are 6 strands on each. So you can divide that into 3 strands, 1 strand, 2 strand, whatever, while you're working for different effects. Some people use all 6 strands. You can do either one. Okay. The next thing you have is a piece of elastic. This is about 18 inches. You have this to be able to make masks or scrunchies. Here's some basic threads. I gave you basic colors that are good for most projects for us to start with. I like working with the neutrals. I gave you some Post-its. You can keep your needles stuck in there or some other notes or things. So here's the needles. They are stuck in a piece of felt. I like to work with embroidery needles because they have a larger eye. I use these for embroidery, but also for regular sewing. Here's a couple of pieces of fabric you'll get. These are called fat quarters if you buy them at the store. It's actually 18 by 21, 2 pieces of fabric. You'll get a pair of school scissors. You'll get some pins, some buttons, all different kinds. So you remember there's 3 kinds. There's shank, and then there's 2-hole. Here's another 2-hole, and 4-hole. Very easy, okay. And this piece of cardboard we'll use for a weaving project and some other things, so hold on to that. You can also use a part of a cereal box, like cut the back off, and we can also use twigs and sticks. We're going to do weaving, not too hard to work with. I gave you this stuffing. This stuffing can be for pin cushions and then also for the stuffed animal that we'll do later on. But if you don't have access to stuffing, just cut up some old blankets or old towels, old socks, all kinds of old things. Make sure you get permission from your parents first, okay? Super easy, great beginner's kit for sewing. So leave a comment below. Let me know that you watched. Thank you.